came from nothing, no silver, no safety. Days of hunger taught me how to pray. When doors were closing, you opened a new one. Even when I lost my way, you made a way. Shalikwa tanangu kamo nalimumfia. Abantu balefwaya ukunonesha panshi, but you lifted me above what they said I'd be. I remember nights I had no answer, only tears falling on my pillow. But somehow you kept me breathing, so I'm standing here as a living testimony. Don't tell me there is no God. Don't tell me there is no God. I have seen His hand in my life. I have seen His hand in my life. Mwilanjeba Ukuti Tapali Lesa. Mwilanjeba Ukuti Tapali Lesa. I am here because of mercy. I am here because of grace. Oh, Yahweh, you are real. You are real in my life. Yahweh, you are real. I am living proof tonight. When sickness tried to take me down, you healed me. When friends disappeared, you stayed closer. Dalite mugutantoka nyogo na fuma. From brokenness to something greater. Abantu balande batina lipita, but they don't know the story behind my smile. Every scar on me is a reminder that you never left me, not one single mile. I walked through fire, but I didn't burn. Nalifui lugushala, but I returned. Naponi mi kwingi, but you raised me up. So how can I deny your love? Lesa wandi nami wamya. You turn my shame into glory. Shifwaya kulanda fie no kupanga ikongo, but my life is already the story. Benabatile nshaka ponoke, but I am standing here today. I didn't have a plan for millions, but you gave me a better way. Even when I doubted you, you never doubted me. Even when I failed you, you still loved me. So I raise my hands in the air and declare, there is no life without you there. survive.